which, ayyun, what, ماذا, why, لماذا, my, li, or, lana, their, lahum, and, wa, at, ala, as, kama, at once, fawran.
Do you want to learn Arabic?
Do you know Arabic grammar but are not able to speak fluently? Al-Husna Institute is an Arabic and Islamic Studies institute for all ages and all levels, beginner, intermediate and advanced. Join Al-Husna Institute where you can study Arabic and Islamic studies. Don't worry about the time and place. We offer online classes to read and teach our students all around the world. Our Arabic program includes conversation, reading, writing, listening. Our Quran program includes Quranic Arabic to learn Quran translation, Quran recitation with Tajweed, Quran memorization, basic knowledge of Islam. Join Al-Husna Institute, start your free trial class and you will be awarded the certificates at the end of the course.
لغتي لغتي ما أحلاها لغتي العربية أكتب حرفي أقرأ كتبي أغني أغنية لغتي لغتي ما أحلاها لغتي العربية أكتب حرفي أقرأ كتبي أغني أغنية أكتب ألفا أكتب باء أقرأ كلماتي أمسك قلمي وبفرشاتي أرسم أحلام